Yeah, hi friends, just a quick one for to say thanks to all my supporters, subscribers, been blown away with getting up to 223 subs, so thanks for whoever's, I'm gonna have a look tomorrow who subscribed to me anyway, but cheers and subscribe to me. I've been blown away with support lately, so. But this is just a quick one. Just to show the Nottingham Police Ambulance, East Midlands Fire Service. Keep up what you're doing. You're doing a great job in Nottingham, so. And keep doing what you're doing and then, so. So, the Nottingham Police are doing a good job, so. Alright, cheers, thanks, so.